1 Chronicles 21, Satan rose up against Israel and caused David to take a census of the people. God was very displeased with the census and he punished Israel for it. Then David said to God, I have sinned greatly by taking this census. Please forgive my guilt for doing this foolish thing. Wala gikahimutan sa Dios ang pagsalig ni David sa iyang kaugalingon ug sa army nga naa siya. After a series of battles won, nahimong nalantaw niya ang iyang kapasidad, unsay kaya niya ug sa army nga naa siya. This is a picture that God does not want us to be self-reliant and proud of the victories He has given us. David was tempted to take some of the glory for himself. He looked at how Israel had grown and prospered during his reign. It was remarkable indeed. The count was a way to take credit for himself. This is warning to each one of us na sa atong mga kadaugan, padayon ra gyud ta mahimong dependent ngadto sa Dios.